Hello everyone, I just got this package from China today and it's my I don't know how many time, but I think it's the first time I bought this watch, NAVIFORCE. As you can look here, wow, very nice indeed. Wow, I like this build quality. You can see here, as you can see here, NAVIFORCE for Dream, waterproof, and you can feel it different in your hand with another Chinese product. It's really exclusive. All right, now how about the strap? Yeah, we've got logo. It's year, as you can see here, it's 2019, month 12 December, and it's the date. It's the second. We've got alarm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alarm, and this is the week. Wow, this is the best Chinese watch that I ever bought. Now we move to the guide here. Wait a second. What we've got here, light button, mode button, alarm, timer, blah 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 blah, countdown function, stopwatch mode, alarm mode, dual time function. Wait a minute. Alright, now we have the manual, English, Spanish, Portuguese, and also Arabic. As you can look here, the package came with a pack like this, NAVIFORCE, and also the exclusive international guarantee card with unique design. Alright guys, I think that's enough. We've got build quality, we've got great genuine leather here, and also waterproof, and the back was for Dream. I think it's really for Dream. NAVIFORCE, and also another mark here. It's great, very great watch. Oh, wait a second. What if I use this watch. That's right. Sounds very, it's look like it's very expensive watch. I believe it. You won't regret buy this one. It's NAVIFORCE with waterproof, real waterproof, and also have dual time, month, date, year, and also stopwatch and countdown, and 5 alarms. Okay, thank you guys for watching.